say something about the endeavors kay Amador as a future model sa Leyte.
Sige, nalipay ako for this visit ni Dr. Reynald Navarez, no? Kag sa iya nga dissertation kay Amador Kahanlangit. To me, having known si Amador, this is an endeavor that will enable us to know better this person who in our time was a model of lay apostolate. What I find most significant was ang akong pagtanaw ba catechesis sa Kanginan, no? Which he does every day, and of course the Holy Rosary, and the many speaking engagements he would make, no, sa mga parokya. Many at the time consider him indeed a holy person. And to me personally, if his cause would be introduced, I would be most happy. Sa among CBCP last weekend of January, we were encouraged to present candidates for beatification and canonization. I do believe that, of course, through this book of Dr. Reynald Navarez, among others, through Father Jonet Territorio, a canon lawyer, and through, of course, as Bishop Rumi, or the next, Paradugay Pamanto, as Bishop of Cebu, his cause may be introduced. I have no doubt, no, that it will progress. And even now, I thank the Lord for having known Amador Kahanlangit, to me, a holy person, model of apostolate of the laity, reminder of the importance of media or mass media communications, being a religious speaker, and a great devotee of Mama Mary in his rosary and in his catechesis sa Kanginan. So sa mga kababayan, mga kasimanga po ng Ilonggo, I hope his cause will be introduced. Salamat. God bless.